Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a seahorse. That's right, we're going to draw a cute seahorse. This seahorse will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the seahorse horn, followed by the seahorse head. We will then draw the seahorse's body and fin. Keep in mind that the outline doesn't need to be perfect. After all, seahorses come in all shapes and sizes. Next, we will draw curly tail, followed by the rest of the seahorse belly. Let's add some strips to the belly. Doesn't it look so cute already? For the seahorse's hair, I'm going to draw in a row of half circles along its back. You can also change it up and make a long wavy manner as well. Use your imagination and have fun with this drawing. Next, we will draw in the seahorse eye and nostril. You can make the eyes larger, smaller, or super tiny if you like. Have fun with your drawing by stretching out your imagination. You can also add in eyebrows to help the seahorse to better express its feelings. You can make it happy, sad, or even surprised. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Isn't it so cute already? Next, I will use my pink to color in the belly and also color in the seahorse's nose. Feel free to change up the colors. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your seahorse. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your seahorse's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow, you all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as some seaweeds or bubbles. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of seahorses in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the seahorse. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice. So keep drawing and try new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.